After a year of using the Unistellar Odyssey from my light-polluted backyard, I wanted to show you what this smart telescope can actually do. Setup is refreshingly simple. Mount the telescope, and the app handles everything else, including automatic alignment. Watch as enhanced vision starts working its magic, stacking frames in real time to pull detail out of the light pollution that would be invisible otherwise. And there's M13, the Great Hercules Cluster, 22,200 light-years away and 11.65 billion years old. You're looking at 300,000 ancient stars packed into a sphere 145 light-years across. This is the brightest globular cluster in the northern sky, and amazingly, it contains young blue stars that shouldn't exist in such an old cluster. Moving to M3, another globular cluster. The telescope is building up the image frame by frame, fighting through the suburban light pollution to reveal what's hidden above. M3 emerges beautifully, 33,900 light-years distant, with 500,000 stars. This cluster holds the record for variable stars, with over 270 confirmed. It was actually Charles Messier's first original discovery back in 1764. You can see individual stars resolving throughout that brilliant core. Now M92 is slowly building up. This is one of the oldest globular clusters we know of, and watching enhanced vision gradually reveal it never gets old. M92 is stunning, 26,700 light-years away and among the oldest objects in our galaxy, at 11.5 billion years. Often overlooked next to famous M13, but it's nearly as bright. Those 330,000 stars formed from almost pristine hydrogen and helium when the universe was young. Switching to something completely different, the Sombrero Galaxy. Watch as the telescope builds up this edge-on galaxy view, revealing structure invisible to any backyard telescope without smart stacking. Incredible! M104, the Sombrero Galaxy, 29.3 million light-years away. That dark dust lane cutting across the bright bulge is actually a ring of gas and dust seen edge-on. The central supermassive black hole weighs 1 billion suns, one of the most massive known. Recent studies suggest this might actually be two galaxies that merged, an elliptical that swallowed a spiral disk. From my suburban backyard, this kind of detail is simply impossible without enhanced vision technology. Finally, the Whirlpool Galaxy M51. Even from these light-polluted skies, watch as the spiral structure slowly emerges from the noise. This is deep space imaging made accessible. The Whirlpool Galaxy in all its glory, 23 million light-years distant with its companion galaxy NGC 5195 visible nearby. This was the first galaxy where spiral structure was ever observed by Lord Rosse in 1845. Those spiral arms are being triggered by gravitational interaction with the companion, creating intense star formation regions. From a Bortle 7 suburban backyard, capturing detail like this would have been unthinkable just a few years ago. If you're curious about smart telescopes and have questions about the Odyssey, drop them in the comments below.